package in the mail today from a friend of mine, and I promised I was going to do an unboxing for him, which I'm going to do because I promise, and I always keep my promises. But I'm going to do it drinking some beer as usual, but I will do an unboxing.
I'm a man of my word. Come on.
I know, but we're... Yeah, but why is it flipping? Okay, so we got the package from avaware. This is from Meta. You don't need to see that. And the motherfucker does not know how to tape anything. But we're gonna open it with my friend Ron. Shit! This is a horrible fucking video. Okay, go. This. Yeah. Worst midnight video ever, but don't care. Alright. What do we got in here, Ron? I haven't even seen it yet.
A hoodie.
A hoodie with the avaware signal. Pretty cool. Project avaware, established 2021. Sweet!
Damn, how big do you think you were?
Hey, thanks, Meta.
And a bunch of stickers.
Oh, look at all this stuff in here. Look at all that good stuff. Thanks, Meta. I'm sorry about the stupid fucking video, but one more time on the shirt. Okay, this is the hoodie you guys get. It's all colored and cool. Awesome. Project avaware. Alright, Meta, this is for you. Talk to you later, bud. Bye.